Right, so quick one today. This is a short video detailing exactly how to use the custom instruction setting here inside of Journalist AI. Now, before I do so, if you don't know what Journalist AI is, essentially Journalist AI is a tool that allows you to generate content for any industry that is tailored to your brand. So if I click here and show you these are articles for a plumbing business, right? All this was done through AI, the images, the interactive table of contents, the key takeaways here, the internal links, external links, the proper structuring with the H2s, H3s, the in-article images, in-article videos, right? More images, more links down here. Also a call to action to booking a call essentially and linking out to their contact page on this site, right? You can skim through all these, you can generate as many as you want. You can publish them straight to your WordPress site one by one, or you can just click here, post all to integration, and all will be pushed to your integration. Now the integrations again can be any of these, right? WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, Zapier, even external APIs. So essentially you can connect Journalist AI with any of these blogs, right? So Journalist AI connects with your blog, right? And if you want to move a step further, right? Because you could just generate articles, select any one of these modes, right? You can have a simple mode, titles mode, keywords mode, and generate content based on that. Then you go to history, click these, and you can, again, post them one by one manually to the site, or you can just go here to autoblogs. And if you set up a new autoblog, you can select, essentially automate the whole process, right? You can connect Journalist AI with your blog right here. Let's say this is your WordPress blog, right? And in this case, right, every single month, weekday, every 12 or 6 hours, let's do month, every single month, 60 articles will be posted to this blog, right? We can change this around, just click active, save, and again, Journalist AI will generate, that's G, plus it will publish content, in this case 80 articles every month to your blog, right? These are the articles, the individual articles that I'll be pushing out every single month. And if of course we expand on one of these articles, these will be exactly like the ones that I showed you before, right? With a featured image, a table of contents, proper content structure, in-article images, in-article videos, tables of contents, bullets, internal links, right? So links linking out to internal pages on your site, maybe blog posts, maybe your homepage, maybe your contacts page, external links, so links linking out to authoritative sources in your niche, and of course down here, a call to action to your product or service. For example, if you have a Shopify store, you want to build out an automatic blog for your store, down here at the bottom of each article, there's going to be a call to action promoting your products. And of course, this isn't introduced in any random way. It is introduced in a contextual form, right? So this paragraph right here that has the call to action to your product or service makes sense according to the whole context of the article, as well as the anchor text, right, which is the little link you click. It isn't just placed here randomly. It's placed in here in a way that makes sense, right? So again, all this done through AI. And if you want to move a step further, Journalist AI also does the indexing for you, does the content indexing. You just click here, indexing, and I won't do this right now, but just connect your Google Search Console and does the content indexing. And if you want to move even a step further, it also does the keyword research for you, right? So if you go here, keyword monitors, set up a new one. I won't do it right now, but if you set this up, you give us your site, your location, targeted language. We analyze your site and your competition. We come up with keywords that have low SEO difficulty, so that are easy to rank for in theory, and have some decent search volumes, right? So that's the whole power of Journalist. But I digress. You can also connect your brand so that the content that you produce isn't some generic content. The content is going to be brand tailored with your own brand's images, your brand's mannerisms, your brand's tone of voice. But I digress. What I did want to show you here is in the advanced mode, because you can generate articles with all these modes, advanced mode, we give you 7 steps right here to producing content, right? You can set up the videos, right? You can set up the images. You can even use AI images. You can set up internal and external linking. I'll leave a link for this in the description so you can try it out. But I did want to show you here the content tab right here. You can, of course, select over 150 different languages, sorry. So if you're targeting international markets, this works great. But I did want to show you here the custom instructions tab and show you exactly how this works. So here's exactly how it works. So the process in Journalist to generating an article involves 3 steps. First, we get you the title. Then we develop the outline, right? The outline, if I go here again real quick, the outline, let me just open this right here. The outline is, of course, the headings of the article. So if I go here, the outline is, this is an H2, this is an H3, this is a paragraph, H3, H3, H2, right? So we generate the outline. Then for each H3, a paragraph is generated. So for each H3, this paragraph is generated, right? So custom instructions, right? This little tab right here, I'll show you in a second here. This little tab right here only works for number 3, for these ones, for the paragraphs in each H3. So this means that it does not make sense to use custom instructions for stuff like generate an article based on X, generate an article based on lamps, include 10 H2s, right? Or make this article shorter. These things don't make sense to use custom instructions for, because custom instructions only work for right here. So putting any of these stuff or similar stuff in this little box here won't do much, or actually won't do anything. Now, it does make sense to use custom instructions for stuff like be assertive and straight to the point, right? Explain stuff like the reader is 5 years old. Or for example, don't use words like, gambling or whatever, right? Don't use these specific words, right? You can give it these types of prompts because the custom instructions right here will only affect step 2, will only affect the paragraphs under H3s, right? So that's exactly how this works. And the reason why we do this here, and the reason why we give you all these 7 steps, which in this case I've filled them all out, is to give you the highest level of customization for the articles that you want to generate. So you're able to generate articles for any niche, in any language, targeting any single thing you want. And if you pair this up with the keyword research right here, with the indexing, with the integrations in Autoblog, you'll be unstoppable. So short one today, more of a tutorial-like video, but I did want to come on here and explain to you how this works. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.